Hello everyone, my name is Priyanka. You all are welcomed to my channel English Conversation with Priya. Today's topic is how to come out your fluency by using easiest process. I am going to discuss some tricks which helps you to bring out your fluency. As well as we are scared of speaking English because it's not our mother tongue and we do not feel comfortable to speak this language. Actually, our mouth is habituated to accent our mother tongue. So naturally, we do not feel comfortable to speak any other language. And other hand, we do not get a certain environment to increase our fluency by speaking someone. So all of these are major problems of every learners. Obviously, every English learners. We are struggling to ourselves, our societies, our environment, and end of the day, we do not keep patience and give up. So how get rid from this problem? I would like to say you, if you feel super stressed to speak in English, then I will recommend you can shadow repeat directly after talking in any videos. You watch the subtitles and repeat out loud. Watching the subtitles, always you click on YouTube, and if you are on your phone, then you click the CC button at the top of the corner and you will see the subtitles. And you can look the subtitles below on the screen. Always read out loud, but make sure in English and what is you can grasp easily. I think it is the easiest process of every beginners. No one else is listening you, no one else is watching you. You are just at your home and do practice, but always repeat out loud. You need to courageous enough to be able to raise your voice, to be able to enhance your pronunciation muscles, and always speak out loud to hear your own voice in English. I think it's a fruitful process. And the next one is self-talking. I mentioned this point in my previous video, but it's a beneficial process. I will want to give you a demo. I am on the roof of the house. After completing my work, I take out some time to talk with you. I have a little bit time because after some time my children will come back from school. I have to serve lunch of every member. Where I am sitting, there are many kind of trees. Coconut tree, mango tree, jackfruit trees are also available here. There is a pond also. The pond is full of fish. Thus, you try to speak out by yourself. Nobody is required to speak with you. You are the best friend of you. I would like to share with you a secret thing. I am doing that only on my conviction. Nobody is known about my YouTube channel except my husband and my children. So how do I build myself? It's only my responsibility. I use this process to enhance my speaking skill, my English skill, my fluency. In this process, no need to require to help you. You are just at your home and do practice. But you have to dedicate your full effort, and you have to be eager to learn, and you have to practice with consistency. When I get empty house, I talk to myself loudly to bring out my fluency, and when I make mistakes, I try to check out. Who are struggling for their eloquence, try this process, you get definitely succeed. I think it's the time to stop my talking. I would like to thank all of my YouTube family members who insist me, who encourage me, and your positivity inspires me a lot. Please let me know how did you like this video, and you could also suggest me if you have any suggestion, and I am looking forward your support. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and See you again on next video. Till then, take care. Bye.